The assembly group comes together about a week or so before each assembly and plans out what's going to happen. If there are any notes from teachers or just ideas from other students as to what comes up. So the assembly group is a bunch of students talking to other students. We are on about the same level as everyone else, and we know about the same amount as everyone else. We always have some sing-along. And we also will sometimes have a little competition amongst certain students who have some maths competition thing. We make some jokes, we try and keep things as light-hearted as possible, just so that the mood is fine and everyone feels comfortable. Students from other groups will come up and talk during the assembly and give notifications about what they've been doing. The sustainability group and the theatre groups being a couple of the ones that have been requesting more members or having notifications like, hey, we're doing this on this day, please show up, it's very important. I feel like the from students to other students aspect is kind of like grounding. We know what's going on and it feels comforting knowing that, well, at least to me, that some people who are about the same age as me who have experienced what I'm currently experiencing are also there